haven't seen a lot of companies that have invested in communities as far as trying to bring people up quite like Science with Sport.
Back to when I was growing up, STEM was not something that we even knew about, and today there are so many careers that the kids can learn about, and STEM can take them as far as they want to go.
How can it be better than playing, getting your hands on something, and also getting to learn about science while you're doing it?
I love what the Science and Sport is doing with the city of Englewood, bringing science, math, the STEM, the concept of STEM into sports, and sharing it with the community, the families. I think it is so important for families and kids to understand that there is science in every sport that they play.
All the children out here. We had over 400 participants out here today that were really interested, and just seeing them out here having a great time doing all the STEM activities and really putting together the STEM as it relates to sports just really touched our hearts.